What are the reactants of the following reactions? So now we are actually going backwards, okay, which means that we need the starting materials. So these are the products that are given to us over here. Let's start with the first one. So I can see where my double bond is. As soon as I see my double bond, I know that's my 2 and 3. So 1 and 4 must be here, which means that these two bonds are going to be then the new bonds formed because of the Diels-Alder reactions. So again, I know that I have a 4 plus 2 system. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I separate that out, make my diene, and then whatever is left over, I will have that for the dienophile. So I have 2 carbons, and then the fluorines are on the same side. So this is going to be a cis. Okay, so it's as simple as that. You just need to know where to fragment. Okay, all right, let's look at the next one now. And in the next case, we actually have a bicyclic structure. So in the bicyclic structure, it doesn't matter, no need to worry too much. You focus on the double bond. Okay, so here is the double bond. So you look at the double bond, you know that that is 2 and 3. So then 1 and 4 is this one. So then you're like, okay, this is the CHO. CHO is an electron withdrawing group, so that will generally go to the dienophile. Okay, so then it means that this is carbon number 5 and this is 6. It means that this is my new bonds between 1 and 6. Okay, so keep those things in mind as you're trying to do this. So which means that the top 2 carbons here and here are actually part of the ring for the diene. And so here is the diene with the 6-membered ring, and then 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6 are here with the CHO. All right, don't move the CHO to the up position, just leave it down here. That's all fine. Okay, over here, so that's all good. Okay, let's look at the next one now. The next one is a little bit strange looking, but we'll get through it. So here is my 2 and 3, 1, and then 4 is right here. Okay, and so if this is 1 and this is 4, so it means that this must be the double bond over here, because these are going to be my new bonds formed, okay, for the Diels-Alder. So I don't really have to think that much. Okay, if I have my focus correct, then I will always be right. Okay, because I know what I'm looking for. So as soon as I identify my diene, I know where the new bonds are. Okay, so don't get confused by the many rings that are possible. So the fragment I have is the diene, which is a very simple diene, the butadiene, and then whatever is left over on the right hand side is all of this with the 2 ketones that we have, and then this must have a double bond, okay, because that is the dienophile. So I need to have a double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this was the 5 and 6. So keep it simple, okay, for yourself. I'll look for the 4 plus 2 system, and that's how you do the cleaving, okay, for Diels-Alder.